Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we got one of our clients in with this beautiful 2024 Dodge Durango Hellcat. This thing is a beast. I mean, it's insane. Look at it. With it's got all the black trim. It's this beautiful like cement gray. Love this thing. There's a reason the client wants to protect it. So the client has actually had 2 Dodges stolen from him already. So he didn't want to take any chances with this one. So the first thing he did after he purchased it is bring it right to us to get it fully secured. So we did our full-blown package on this one. It's got the Igla pin code system. It's got the CompuStar full alarm remote start with drone tracker. So basically it's covered. The alarm protects it from if they hit the car, open the door, or just try to gain access to the vehicle. And then the Igla prevents the vehicle from starting, prevents them from cloning a key or deleting the factory keys, and basically just keeps the car secure and from being stolen. On this vehicle, we did the works. When it comes to a car like this, these are highly sought after right now, so you definitely have to protect them, and the Igla does that. Look at how beautiful this thing is. So Dodge really stepped it up. I mean, it's got the red leather with the white stitching, and it's got this like matte satin carbon fiber finish. I mean, it is just an absolutely gorgeous truck. Suede headliner, I mean, just amazing, especially being from factory aspect, right? So it comes basically pre-spec this way. It's just a beautiful car. So we're gonna show you the Igla, right? So I'm gonna hit the brake. So I have the key, hit the brake, nothing. And if you look, this car has 76 miles on it, right? And again, no, we don't want to take any chances, right? It's a little bit of an investment up front, but if you think about it, if the car gets stolen once, right? First, you have to wait and hope they recover the car. Second, there's going to be damage, there's insurance, there's so much. And if they steal the car twice, like this car had the same car took in twice, he recovered it twice, which is not normal, but he was able to recover it twice. Imagine what that is. And just the fact of not having a car, having to deal with the insurance, the body shop, I mean, it's just a huge mess, right? So why do that? Spend a little bit of money, protect your investment, and this way you can sleep at night, not worried that, you know, your car is going to be missing out of the driveway or out of a parking lot. So the way it works is you turn the car on, you put the pin code in, and you listen for the 2 chirps, and your hazards will flash with the chirp. So you get 2 flashes. This is basically the ultimate protection for these vehicles, right? So anything Dodge related. If you're talking about a Durango, TRX, a Jeep Cherokee, Trackhawk, Challenger, Charger, anything in the Dodge. Actually, you can do this for just about any modern vehicle that has a CAN network, right? We just did a 2024 Porsche Cayenne. We just did a 2024 Lexus 500. You know, it's available for just about any vehicle, as any modern vehicle, let's say. So you can add this system to basically any modern vehicle. And again, the beauty of it is that it's using factory buttons that exist in the car and CAN connections. So in other words, it's communication. It's not a physical connection, physical interruption per se, or physical blocking. It's digital blocking. So we're digitally keeping the car from starting. So that makes it very difficult for a thief to get around, because unless they can rewrite the code or stop it from doing that, they're not going to be able to start the vehicle. So it's highly effective, and it's why this solution is just the best out there.